Where's the thermal fuse on my cabrioplatinum wed8600yw1?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Too long.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No. Trying to replace the thermal fuse on my cabrioplatinum wed8600yw1. Can't even find the thermal fuse after taking back off.
My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. I will do my best to take the information that you provide to me and make a diagnosis for you to be able to repair your own appliance. I'm also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses. Do not panic, just wait for my reply. Note, the website will send you a prompt for a phone call and pop UPS. Those are not from me, so if you do not want me to call you, then please ignore IT. The thermal fuse is located on the blower housing. In this image, item 51 is the thermal fuse. https://www.partadvantage.com/diagram/3/91/0000071/680/900. The thermal fuse is accessed from the front of the dryer, not from the rear of the dryer. Here is a video that shows how to access the blower housing. https://www.bing.com/videos/search. Q equals 8544742 plus video in view equals detail and mid equals B18399-44156 CB656 CB18399-44156 CB656 C and form equals VIR. In the video at the 433 mark you can see the thermal fuse. It is the one on the blower housing with the two blue wires. If you need a link to the pat, just let me know.
Thank you. Trying to release the top now.
Okay, as shown in the video, if you use a putty knife it works best.
Thank you. Trying to release the top now. What next? Thank you. Trying to release the top now. What next?
Did you watch the video that I sent you showing how to gain access into the dryer and the blower housing area?
Watching now. Sorry about that.
No problem.
My drum belt seems really loose when putting back together.
Are you sure that you have the drive belt on the motor and the idler pulley correctly? It should not be loose at all, it should have tension on it.
How should it go on?
Here iOS a video started around the 3:30 mark. It shows how the belt goes on the drive pulley, idler pulley. https://www.youtube.com/watch. V equals V5 is 7 EQ dis.
I got it. Thanks.
No problem. Always glad to assist you anytime. Thank you in advance. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me. MasterTech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me 5 stars is the only way I get paid for my time. I do not get compensated until you rate me. You should see a rating box. Just click on the rating box and it will open the rating window for you to then rate me. Thank you in advance. Woody.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/ythi.